Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room again. And I was trying to set up, or have set up, kinda, my Alexa device to read a book to me. And it's going to read this book right down here, How to Listen to the World. And what I'll do is, it's on the other side of the room, so I'll swing the microphone around while it's reading the book to me to hopefully you can hear it. So here we go. I'm going to tell it to read my book. I'm going to swing the microphone around right now. Alexa, read my book.
Resuming your most recent book, How to Listen to the World. DX tip number 1. You can't fight poor propagation. But a better antenna will give better results, and that's the whole point of this exercise. Still, it's good to know what the quality of your starting point is in order to know how good or bad your results are. I kept track of the distance each station was from my own location.
Alexa,
as a
stop. Okay, hopefully you heard that. And so, as I was trying to point out in my previous video, you can have, and I don't want to say her name, but the lady over there, read your ebooks to you. Now, this doesn't work on all books. Probably maybe 40% of the books in the Amazon ebook library this will work on. And it's pretty cool. So like I was saying, what I do is, because of my back problem, I lay down a lot, and I have a blank device in my bedroom, and I tell it to read my books, and I can select which book in my library for her to read, and she will pick up where she left off the last time I had her read that particular book. Pretty cool application. Again, this is a great book, How to Listen to the World. Even if you only just read it manually, it's still a good book. I hadn't realized how good it was until I got more into it using the blank device to read it to. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.